Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the recipe of brick street light in Hearttopia. So Hearttopia right now has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can unlock many cool rewards from the battle pass like this. And to unlock this recipe of brick street light, you must reach the battle pass level 25 first like this. And to increase your level, can complete you can collect the festival points like this, festival points that you can get it from the festival catalogs that available each week on here like this. Just complete all the quests, and in here you can get, or you can unlock more festival points, and then you can get these festival points for the collections, limited collections like this. You can get the points on here, and you can also get the festival points from the daily quest or weekly quest like this. And after you reach the level 25, you will unlock the brick street light recipe like this, and the recipe will be added to your workbench, and from there you can just craft it anytime. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.